Xiaomi has recently launched Mi 11, which is a complete package. It is currently the most desirable smartphone according to me. Now, a few days ago, we told you about Mi 11 Pro, which supposedly is in work and will launch very soon. Now, some new leaks are coming about new smartphone in the Mi 11 lineup, and that is Mi 11 Lite. Yes, recently certification sites suggest that Mi 11 Lite is getting ready to launch in India. Now, some previous rumors also suggested that Mi 11 Lite will launch alongside Mi 11 global launch. So let's talk about the specs, price and release date of Mi 11 Lite. Let's see if this smartphone deserves to be a younger brother of Mi 11 or not. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. So the Mi 11 Lite will be a toned down variant of Mi 11. Recently, Mi 11 Lite has been spotted on the BIS certification site, which suggests its possible introduction to Indian market. This news was shared through a tweet by unknown tipster Mukul Sharma. This tweet suggests that a new Xiaomi smartphone is listed on BIS certification site with the model number M210K9AI. It was found listed along with other Xiaomi devices. So I guess there are more Xiaomi devices coming to India. Now, Xiaomi has recently launched the Mi 10i, which is the most affordable 5G smartphone from Xiaomi. So I guess this Mi 11 Lite will come in this category of smartphones. The Mi 11 Lite was recently leaked by a Vietnamese YouTuber via a video. This video suggests some key specifications of this new Mi 11 Lite. According to it, the Mi 11 Lite will feature an LCD display panel. It will be a punch hole display panel. There will be 120Hz refresh rate. Mi 11 Lite will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset. For design, it will be very similar to the Mi 11, maybe a bit smaller in size. On the back, it could feature a triple rear camera setup. The main sensor could be 64 megapixel sensor. Along with it, we will get an ultra wide angle sensor and a low resolution macro sensor. It will be a squarish circular camera module just like we saw in Mi 11. Earlier, an FCC listing also confirmed the Mi 11 Lite name along with 4150 mAh battery, a 33-watt fast charging system, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1 and MIUI 12 on board. The base variant will come with 6GB RAM. Now, there is no news about pricing of this smartphone, but rumors suggest the phone could be priced between 23,000 to 25,000. So it will compete with Xiaomi and Redmi smartphones along with OnePlus Nord. You can expect Mi 11 Lite in February 2021. Leaks also suggest that Mi 11 Lite will launch with global launch of Mi 11. So are you waiting for this smartphone? Tell us in the comment section. Share this video with all your interested friends. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.